Larger turbines lead to CAPEX and OPEX savings from an LCO perspective. Upsizing turbines is the emerging trend in offshore wind power. However, offshore wind turbine installation and maintenance vessels are short supply compared to demand. In addition, WTIV using fixed pedestal crane requires a lot of cost to shipbuilding and operation, so we developed the WTIVs, Korean offshore wind turbine installation and maintenance barge that replaced too expensive WTIV. WTIVs is an offshore wind turbine installation barge that considers not only the crane's lifting power, stability, and accuracy, but also the characteristics of Korean offshore, such as large tides and low water areas. WTIVs uses 3 vertical telescopic crane to perform fast-working and accurate operation. Firstly, the leg is moved down to fix to the seabed. Elevate the WTIVs above sea level and fix it. WTIVs can be installed up to 185 meters, which is 17 megawatt wind turbine generator height. Barge loaded with offshore wind turbine components is towed towards the WTIVs. WTIV's maximum lifting capacity of 1,200 tons. First, install the tower on the substructure. Install the nacelle on the top of the tower assembled with the substructure. While rotating the nacelle at a specific angle, each blade is installed on the joint of the nacelle. Through this installation process, WTIVs reduces construction costs and works faster than WTIV. WTIVs is opening a new future for the global offshore wind power market.